Hello and welcome to another episode of How You Can Do It Too. In this episode, I'm going to be replacing a tie rod, or referred to as a pivot link as well, on my Craftsman riding mower. This model is a T2400, but you can see where it broke right there, and then it's right in here. Let me see. So I'm going to be putting a 1/2-inch wrench here, and I believe this is 14 millimeter for some reason. That's kind of strange. I'm probably messing up somehow, but I'm going to be removing that bolt or nut right here, holding on to there, and then I'm going to be removing this one as well, which will be this one over here, and then go ahead and start putting it together. Be right back. Okay, as you can see, I got it off. There's the ball joint that actually broke out of this piece right here, and goes right in there and here. Oh, let me back up. And of course I got to pick it up and move it over a little bit and line her up, and then start bolting her back together. Okay, I got the new one loosely installed, and I use this 2x4 here, old 2x4, just to kind of lift up on it so I can move the tire around and line up the holes. So now all I can do is just tighten these down pretty tight. They were tight to get off, and that's pretty much it. And I hope this video has helped you. And remember, if I can do it, you can too. And have a good day. Thank you.